Last December, we ran a sweepstakes asking all of our Trailblazers out there to share some of your most impactful learnings from your experience with transitioning to Lightning. Well, you shared some excellent tips, and we're going to be surfacing some of those tips today on Lightning Strikes.
Lightning Experience makes my job easier because not only is it a beautiful user interface, but it enhances productivity and allows us to build and deliver new apps and functionality to our customers quicker.
Lightning Experience makes my job easier because I can quickly create apps for any role or rep type in our sales organization. Lightning makes it so easy to create consoles, productivity workspaces that are tailored to teams that grow the business.
Lightning makes my life so much easier. I can build fantastic, dynamic page layouts and super duper automation for my end users.
Here he comes! Woohoo! Here comes Lightning Man!
Hello everyone, I'm Kelly Walker, Senior Adoption Consultant. This Lightning Strikes episode is all about enhancing the experience for your end users. Here's the Lightning Strikes tip of the day.
Getting users to migrate over from Classic to Lightning has been a struggle. One tip to help adoption is to change the default tab on each page to Details. More information on this can be found here.
Today we have some awesome guests here with us to share some helpful tips they've learned on their journey with Lightning Experience. First, we have Carlos on the line. Let's hear how he implements some of these Lightning-only features.
Hello, folks. My name is Carlos Ikeda. I'm a Salesforce MVP, Lightning Champion, and Certified Salesforce Instructor. Today, we're going to talk about a very cool tip on Lightning that's come out of the box. It's not available in Classic, but available only in Lightning. As we know, Lightning is all about speed and it's improving user productivity. So the name of the tip that we're going to provide today is called the Related List Quick Link. The next one, we see here that how many related lists we have. As I said before, we have 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Oh, 7. Okay. So again, Lightning is about speed. So instead to have the related list here, we're going to keep the related list here. Let's put another component. And the component now, we're going to talk about related list quick links. Okay. We're going to drag this right here. And all of a sudden, we see the same related list that we had here, we see here, but you're going to see how beautiful is this. Again, productivity is the name of the game here. So you can come here. If you want to know about the related list, what you have to do, you have to click and come and see all of them and scroll up and down, right? Well, guess what? Now, with the related list quick links, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And guess what? I don't need to click anything. Just look at this. I have opportunity team. As soon as I hover with the cursor, I can see immediately everything that I have here for the opportunity team without even clicking there. That's productivity. That's lightning speed. Same with the program history. You can go here and go from there.
Now let's go to Michael for another sweet Lightning Strikes tip.
Hi, my name's Michael Kolodner. I'm the Director of Information Systems at Spark. We help middle school students understand, experience, and pursue what's possible for their futures. Today, I'd like to share a few tips that will help make any organization more efficient working in Lightning Experience. So here I am on a contact page layout for one of my volunteers or mentors. Our detail page doesn't go as far as it used to. It's still a couple of screens deep, but it used to be much, much deeper because I've taken a whole bunch of roll-up fields, which the users aren't going to be editing anyway, and I've moved them to this Donations tab by making a quick action and displaying it on the page. I've also moved fields about the volunteer clearance process to a sub-tab. These aren't going to be updated more than once a year, and they're actually updated mostly via online forms. And I've conditionally displayed information. So right now, this mentor is in the Philadelphia region, and we see clearance fields for the Pennsylvania state requirements. But if I go on to details and I change this volunteer to be in Los Angeles, for example, if I change this user to be in Los Angeles, and then I look at the volunteer clearance tab, you'll see that the Philadelphia clearance piece has disappeared because it was conditionally displayed based on fields in the record. You can also use conditional display based on the profile of the user or permission set, which is a very powerful way to change your page layouts.
Wow, that was awesome. Now let's hear from one of our product managers, Dalla, about how Lightning allows you to personalize the end user experience.
Thank you, Kelly. I'm very excited to talk to you about one of my favorite productivity and personalization features in Lightning. That is called the utility bar. Utility bar is awesome because what it does is allows you to place shortcuts to commonly used features and functions in Lightning for your end users to use. They don't have to jump through lots and lots of clicks to access commonly used features. The utility bar sits at the footer in your Lightning experience and in your Lightning application. Let's take that for a spin. So here on my screen, on the bottom right corner, you see that utility bar. I've got a number of components in there, such as Quip, Open Cases, and History. The great thing about this utility bar is it's completely customizable to not only support some standard components that we ship out of the box, but also custom components that can be built to fit your business needs using the Lightning framework. So the way we customize this is through our app settings. So imagine for a second, I am a VP of service at Electron Motors. I want at all times to know how many service agents are available in my location, such that when a customer comes, I'm ready to serve whatever it is that they need without them having to wait. I want this at my fingertips. To do this, I will go into app settings, and there are a number of other features here, such as the ability to set my own branding, my own theme colors here, and also some app options. But the thing that I'm really interested in is this utility items section. This allows me to add utility items to that bar. There's some things available here, such as chatter feed, flow, history, and macros, and Quip. Now I'll also mention about macros, another one of my favorite features. It allows you to, with a single click, automate tasks that required multiple clicks. This takes away a lot of time to get my task done. Further down, we have some custom components, which we built using the Lightning Component Framework. The one that I'm really interested in right now is the service dashboard. So I'll go ahead and click on that and set the panel width to 650. Make sure it fits very nicely on my screen. And let's go ahead and hit save. Once we're back into my org, make sure I refresh to pick up those changes. And we see right here in my utility bar that new Electron Motors Service Dashboard Home that I just added. Let's invoke that. And we can see that in my San Francisco location, I have 5 technicians available. This information is available to me throughout the application and at my fingertips. This is just one of the many productivity features in Lightning that will enhance the end user experience. Back to you, Kelly.
Thanks, Vin. To wrap up, I'll leave you with another Lightning Strikes tip from the Trailblazer community.
A cool part of the Lightning UI is that you can change the way you interact with profiles. Mix up your profile editing experience through Setup, User Management, Settings, Enhanced Profile User Interface. It takes a bit of getting used to, but now I find it so much easier. In Service Console, you can change the way tabs stack to help it best match the way your users work. And in some Lightning components, you can vastly expand the way your users can interact with related records without compromising on the aesthetics of your UI.